Satellite Imagery Interpretation. Welcome to our YouTube video on understanding satellite imagery. Satellite images are a valuable tool for mapping our changing world. They capture electromagnetic radiation, which is a form of energy emitted by all matter above absolute zero temperature. In this video, we will explore how to interpret satellite images visually using image interpretation elements, and how to analyze them further using spectral response patterns and spectral indices. Let's dive in. Visual interpretation elements. Visual interpretation of satellite images is based on 9 key elements that help us infer relationships between objects and processes in the image. Size. We can discern the size of objects in an image by comparing them to other objects whose size we know. For example, we can estimate the size of a building by comparing it to a 2-lane highway. Shape. Although objects in satellite images may not always have distinct shapes, sometimes the shape of an object can provide clues about its identity when considered in the context of the scene. Tone, color. In grayscale images, tone refers to the change in brightness, while in color images, it refers to the change in color. Tone and color can help us identify objects and features in the image. Pattern. The spatial arrangement of objects in an image, known as pattern, can provide valuable information. For example, repetitive patterns of square plots of land may indicate agricultural fields. Shadow. Shadows in an image can indicate the presence or absence of objects, as well as provide information about the height of objects. However, shadows can also hinder image interpretation by hiding details. Texture. Texture refers to the perceived roughness or smoothness of a surface. It can help us identify features such as forests or bodies of water based on their tonal values. Association. Association refers to the expected relationships between objects in a scene. Understanding the context around a feature can aid in its identification. Site. Site refers to the topographic or geographic location of a feature. Considering the surrounding context can help us interpret features accurately. Spectral response patterns. Objects on the Earth's surface absorb and reflect different amounts of energy at different wavelengths, which is called their spectral response pattern. Spectral indices. Multispectral data from satellite images can be used to derive new data by calculating differences, ratios, or other quantities from reflectance values in 2 or more wavelength bands. This allows us to detect and analyze various features and phenomena, such as stressed vegetation among healthy vegetation, by compensating for variations in scene illumination. Understanding electromagnetic radiation and utilizing visual interpretation elements, spectral response patterns, and spectral indices can greatly enhance our ability to analyze satellite images and map our changing world. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content on remote sensing and geospatial analysis. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest uploads. Thank you for watching.